Let's talk about the 10 mistakes businesses make with their customer support. Before we get stuck into the mistakes, let's agree upon one thing. Customer service is very important. Sadly, many businesses today seem to be afraid of providing good customer service, but some shady marketers actually ignore customer service altogether. However, my friend, this is an opportunity for you to stand above the rest by offering your customers such a good service that the digital word will go viral and eventually get around to your ideal customers. Avoid these 10 mistakes and you've already gotten ahead of the game when it comes to good customer service. Number 1. Making it hard to find contact information. Your audience and your customers should be able to contact you easily. However, if you hide your contact information from them and don't give them multiple ways to contact you, they'll find a way. And this will often be in public on the various social media platforms. Of course, you want to avoid that, so offer people simple ways to contact you, such as when they want to reply to your email messages, as well as a contact form on your website that you make available on your contact page. Number 2, not training support personnel. Anyone that is going to help you with customer care should be trained about your company culture and how you want to deal with complaints. Give them the power to make your customers happy and you'll be glad you did. Number 3, arguing with customers. No doubt you have heard the saying, the customer is always right, and that is true to the extent that you should not argue with them. They may indeed be wrong. They may have used your product wrong. They may be too picky. They may be jerks and behaving badly. But that doesn't matter. It's important to always treat the customer as if they are right and act accordingly. The only exception is if they're trying to commit fraud. In that case, they're not a customer, they're a scammer. In such cases, it is better to be the bigger man and give them the money back. In the long run, it also makes good business sense to do so. Number 4, being uncompromising. You have rules, that's true. And it's good to have some frame of reference of what you hope an outcome to be when there is a problem. However, it's okay to break rules on an individual basis if it's going to be for the greater good. For example, if someone signed up for your coaching program and after 2 sessions their mother gets seriously ill, will it really hurt you to give them the money back? Of course it wouldn't. Number 5, not listening closely. The best thing you can do is to listen to your customer more than you talk to them. Most customers will tell you what they want you to do to make it right, if you keep your ears open, as it were. Number 6, not standing by your word. If you make a promise to someone, you should keep it. If you have offered a 30-day money-back guarantee, then stick to your word and give them the money back when they ask for it. It's much more effective and professional to keep your promises, and this will always serve you best. Number 7, making them repeat themselves. Customers hate having to be transferred to another person to help them in the first place, but to add insult to injury by making them repeat everything that is wrong is a serious problem. Don't do this. Use a customer relationship management system and train your customer service workers to use it properly before interacting with a customer. Number 8, failing to follow up. When a customer has a problem, even if it's been satisfactorily solved according to your customer service, or even yourself if you were the one dealing with it, give it a little time, then follow up to ensure that everything really is okay. You just might be surprised at how you could regain that particular customer's trust and business. Number 9, avoiding personal correspondence. A lot of business owners, especially online, often try to avoid any sort of personal connection or correspondence with their customers. This is a huge mistake because they're going to feel very disconnected with you as a person, which means that they will feel as if they can easily move on to someone else. So be personal in a helpful and friendly manner. When people feel as if they know you and they like you and they trust you, they will want to stick with you. Number 10, not being polite. We have different words for different reasons, so use them correctly. It doesn't cost anything to be polite, except a small effort. Words like thank you, please, and my pleasure are all words that will make the customer happy. Your job is to make your customer happy, and if something so simple will accomplish that practice, do it again and again. Standing apart from your competition is as simple as providing the best customer service around. Good customer service and going the distance for a customer pays off in many different ways, positive ways. People are more likely to spread bad information than good, but when you go above and beyond, they will tell their friends on all the social media platforms that they are members of. As a last note, the lack of good customer relationships could even kill your online business and put an abrupt end to any income you are making or hope to earn in the future. Don't say you haven't been warned. On that note, this lesson about 10 mistakes businesses make with their customer support has come to its end. Thanks for listening, and we hope you have learned something useful.